Volvo to deploy massive software update for 2.5 million vehicles worldwide. Volvo Cars is rolling out its largest ever over-the-air OTA software update, bringing the new Volvo Car UX interface to over 2.5 million vehicles across 85 countries, including approximately 33,000 in Australia. The update, which is free for models from 2020 onwards, represents a significant move toward transforming vehicles into continually improving platforms. Key changes and AMP. Enhanced user experience. The new Volvo Car UX is built on the Android Automotive operating system and aims to streamline the in-car experience. The most significant change is reducing the number of taps or clicks needed to access commonly used features, such as navigation, media, and phone controls. This means drivers can switch between apps like Google Maps and music players without exiting one to access the other. This update isn't just about convenience, it's about future-proofing. Volvo states that the update prepares vehicles for optimal integration with Google Gemini, the company's next-generation conversational AI, expected to roll out in spring 2026. Plug-in hybrid and AMP. Future regulations. The update also includes features tailored to plug-in hybrid (PHEV) drivers. A dedicated drive modes option on the home screen allows for quick switching between petrol and electric power. A benefit as Volvo maintains its PHEV offerings despite earlier plans for an all-electric lineup by 2030. Looking ahead, Volvo is responding to regulatory shifts, particularly in China, where new rules mandate physical buttons for essential functions starting in July 2026. This comes after consumer backlash against over-reliance on touchscreen controls. The shift reflects a broader industry trend. Automakers are balancing digital innovation with usability concerns. New models and AMP. Vehicle-to-load capability. Australia will soon see the arrival of Volvo's new EASE 90 large electric liftback, competitor to BMW i5 and Mercedes-Benz EQE, in the first half of 2024, priced from $88,880. The X60 midsize electric SUV will follow in July, serving as an electric alternative to the popular XC60. Moreover, Volvo will introduce vehicle-to-load V12 charging in the X30 small electric SUV later this year, allowing owners to power external devices from their car's battery. Other models will gain this capability in the future, though release dates remain unconfirmed. This software push highlights a growing trend in the automotive industry. Cars are becoming increasingly defined by their software, with OTA updates providing manufacturers a way to continuously improve features and respond to changing market demands. The massive scale of this update demonstrates Volvo's commitment to keeping its vehicles current, not just through hardware, but also through adaptable, long-lasting software.